So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Gwynette, and let's time check first. It is 4:28 in the afternoon, and meron po tayong video today, which is gagawa po tayo ng makeup tutorial regarding sa pinost ko sa stories ko kagabi. And this video is entitled, My Facebook Friends Does My Makeup. Ang gagawin ko po dito sa video na to is nag-post nga po ako sa aking stories ng poll and questions regarding sa gagawin kong makeup. And pipiliin ko doon is yung majority. Since nakita ko naman na mukhang magandang kalalabasan ng makeup na to. So, without further ado, let's start this video. So guys, since kakaligo ko lang, but napawisan na ako, mag-cleanse muna tayo ng aking face using my wet wipes. Since ang lagi ko namang inuuna kapag nagme-makeup ako is eyebrows. So, unahin natin ay sa eyebrows. At ang majority dito sa eyebrows is thin. So, hindi ganun kakapal ang gagawin natin eyebrows. So, sorry Abby, kasi ang binote niya is thick. So, tatlo po dito is thin. So, let's do the thin eyebrows. Okay, alam niyo naman na lagi kong ginagamit is itong LA Girl. The liner ko na paubos na. Ay guys, yung eyebrow tutorial ko, hindi na pa napapanood. Lalagay ko yung link sa description box dyan sa baba. And after this, may end screen naman to. Pwede nyo naman i-play. Let's do the thin eyebrows. So, we need to brush it off. Yan. Let's do this. Sorry guys kung nawawala ako sa frame ng camera. Dito po kasi yung salamin sa baba. So, ayun guys, tapos na ako sa aking eyebrows, and let's proceed to the next question. Mauna pala muna ako mag-contact lens kasi mag-buluha ako. Mapangit yung foundation. And, ito yung sinabi ko dito. Should I put contact lens? Hindi kita. At ang yes is 75% and no is 25%. So, let's see. Sino mga yes? Okay. Ayun po yung mga nag-yes. Ayan. Ayun po sila. Mga nag-yes. Yes, yes. And then no. Okay. So, magko-contact lens tayo kasi nga marami ang yes. Nakapaglagay na ako ng contact lenses which is brown. And next, let's proceed to foundation shade. And ang aking pinagpilian dito is light, medium, or dark. And ang pinili po nila is, majority is medium. Okay, medium. Ayun po yung mga nag-vote. My medium shade of foundation is my Everbelena Advanced Foundation Stick in the shade of warm beige. Ang lang naman kasi to sa akin. And let's start. pag foundation, contour, and nakapag-set na rin ako ng powder, hindi ko na napakita. Kasi nga, ang mahalaga lang naman is yung nasa questions ko. Hindi ko na pinakita kung paano ko contour and paano ko sinet yung foundation. So let's proceed to the next, which is eyeshadow color ideas. Ayun yung pinost ko. Eyeshadow color ideas. And ang mga nandito is isa lang, si Awi, yung nag-vote ng peach pink to red, but the rest is puro dark. So, majority is dark. So, let's do it. Ayan po. Okay, let's do dark. Ang gagamitin ko ulit is my Gorgeous Me palette. Ayan. Ano po yung ginagamit ko dito kung show guys. This one. Bakit light siya dun? Dark to guys, dark. This. May ilaw kasi, pero dark yan guys. Dark to guys. Dark yan guys. Orange yung light. Okay. Let's blend it in. Next, this brush for the dark color, which is this one. This one. Okay guys, tapos na ako sa aking eyeshadow. Ayun yung nilabas ng guys. Ganda. I like it. It's a touch of red and brown and black, something. And for the next question na aking pinost ay cat eye or not. Yan, aking pinost. And ang majority dito is not. So, ayan, I'll go. Okay. I'm using this Caroline drop ink. So, ayan po. Hindi siya cat eye. Which is kung ano yung form ng aking eyes ay yung ginawa ko. And for next is lipstick. Lipstick color. And ang pinili ko nilang color is nude colors and dark red. Meron ding nag-message sa akin sa messenger ng light daw. Hachi! So, I will blend dark and light. For lip liner, I am using this EB Matte lip liner. I'm using this Sassy Velvet Matte. So yun guys, nakapaglagay na ako nitong velvet and let's blend it with Everbilena liquid lipstick in the shade of Bog Diva. Ay, yung shade pala nitong Sassy Matte ko is Toasted Tango. So let's blend it with this Everbilena. I will fix this look and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
guys, this is the final look that I did. I'm so happy sa naging kinalabasan nitong makeup. And nag-finalize na ako. Highlighter, blush on, and eyelashes. So, time check na tapos tayo is 5:30. Wait, i-shoutout ko din yung mga nag-vote. Ito. Wait ha. Sa FB muna tayo. Okay, yung mga nag-vote is sa una, foundation shade. Gia De Castro, Kuya Mujomar, Alisa Ann Cruz, Abby Sakido, MJ Tonel. Halos same yung mga nag-vote. And sa Messenger is yung tito ko, Ezekiel Nofie, Angelina Randan, and si Kim De Las Alas, si Mila Tito, Angelica Pama, Eric Mark Rocolais, Awi Dayon. Ayan. Thank you so much for voting and participating on my vlog. I hope you like this and I hope it helps you na gawin din tong look. Looking forward. And so, ang oras natin na tapos is 5:31 in the afternoon. Magagabi na po. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And gagawa rin siguro ako ng part nito, which is yung hindi naman majority ang pipiliin ko. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!